Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we will study how to use the average if and the average ifs function in Microsoft Excel. We have before us a sheet in which the headings are restaurant name, location, city, cuisine, signature dish, and ratings. We have data with us for three cities, Mumbai, Thane, and Pune. Now I would like to pull out the average ratings for each city. So here we'll use the first function of Excel, that is average if. So we'll come to a blank cell like this and we begin by typing equal to average if, open bracket. Now it is asking me the range. Now this is the range in which the first parameter would be present. So my city is the range. So I press Ctrl Shift and down arrow and I lock it by pressing F and F4, and then I press comma. Then it is asking me the criteria. So my criteria is this: do not lock it, as I would like to drag and bring it down. Then I say comma and then the average range. So this is my average range. Lock this range by, if you're using a laptop, press F and F4. If you're using a desktop or a keyboard, just press F4. Then close bracket and hit enter. We get the average rating for Mumbai, and then just copy the formula down and you get the average rating for Thane and Pune as well. Now let us take a second example. Here I want to find the average rating for a city based on a particular cuisine. So we'll use a second function of Excel called as average ifs. Let me show you how you can use that. So we'll type equal to average ifs. Then we'll give open bracket. Now the first parameter is the average range. So we select this entire column. We press F4 to lock it. Then we give comma. Now the second parameter is criteria range 1, and that is our city column. So I select the city column and I lock it by pressing F4. Then I give comma and then criteria 1. So I press left arrow to select the adjacent cell, that is Mumbai. Then I give comma. Now criteria range 2. So criteria range 2 is the cuisine. So I select this and lock it by pressing F4. Then I give comma and criteria range 2 is the particular thing or cuisine we want to search. Lock it by pressing F4, close bracket, hit enter. And then just drag the formula down to get the result. So wherever you see this hash div-0, this means that there is no such data for that particular cuisine. Let's say at a Chinese. So there's data in Mumbai and Thane, but not in Pune. Let's say Maharashtrian. We have data for Thane and Pune, but not for Mumbai. So if we want to take care of this error as well, then in the beginning of the formula, we'll use if error. Then we'll give open bracket. And then at the end, we'll say comma. And in quotes, we'll say no such data found. Means whenever there is a error returned, it will say no such data found. Let's try seafood. So you can see you have, okay, we have to copy the formula down. So for seafood, we don't have data in Thane and Pune. Let's say North India. Okay, so we have no such data for Pune. Let's say bakery. We have no data for Thane. So friends, in this video, we have studied how to use the average if and average ifs function in Microsoft Excel. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.